Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what Infosys Narayanamurthy is going to do with Amazon, and because of this, is there is any investment and trading opportunities for us will happen in the market. So we are going to gather some news-based information. So based on that, we are going to take some decision on investment as well as trading in certain sectors. So before going to this video, I would like to express a few points about the Super Finance Trading Tips platform, which is operated by Bull Street in WhatsApp. So we have three kinds of super funds. One is known as super funds option, in which we give low budget option trading tips in stock option with the entry and target in live market. The subscription to join super funds option is 7,999 per month. And second one is we have super funds equity. So this is exclusively in equity. Two kinds of calls, like one is highly speculative moving scripts will be recommended in live market with the entry and target, and investment based calls will also be given in live market and off the market. Subscription to join the super funds equity is 7,999 per month. And another one is newly launched super funds penny, in which we give penny stocks in equity for long term wealth making. This is about stock price ranging from 5 paise to 20 or 30 rupees. So every month we give updates on, every month we give recommendation on penny stocks. So these stocks need not be tradable. You can buy and stay invested for a few months or few years to reap out great profits. So these are the three kinds of trading tips platform which are operated in WhatsApp by Bull Street. And one important announcement is we do not have any trading tips activities. We do not have any trading tips channel. We do not have any premium group. We do not have any VIP group in Telegram. We were a fake people who are reflecting our name in Telegram. Now we go to the video. Recently, the Amazon Jeff Bezos and Infosys Narayanamurthy separately announced that they are not going to continue their strategic alliance beyond the date May 19th, 2020. That is the date for renewal of strategic alliance between them. So you might have heard that Infosys Narayanamurthy is running a company in the name of Catamaran. You can go to the website catamaran.com. The Catamaran is nothing but it is a private equity, and it is a investment firm. They used to invest in certain lot of startups. So like that, Infosys Narayanamurthy is invested have an alliance with Amazon. Because why he is taking such a breakup with Amazon is a question mark. So we feel that recently the CCI, the Competitive Council of India, is taking some stringent step by investigating if there is any unfair business practice done by Amazon in India. Because the media news and the street news is like that. Amazon is having a lot of online shops by its Pinami name. Because of this, it is not giving any opportunity for retailers in e-retailers in our country. So it captured the entire business of e-commerce in India. So this is one complaint in the street. And other one is lot of offline retailers are being affected by this so much of discounts offered by Amazon. So same way the Flipkart is also doing. So Infosys Narayanamurthy is not directly having any link with Flipkart. So the Infosys Narayanamurthy might have taken a decision because of this CCI's stringent action. So other one is after this breakup of the strategic alliance, so Infosys Narayanamurthy may invest in either in some other sector or similar sector. So one has to closely watch what he is going to do, in which sectors, in which kind of industries he is going to invest. So just watch what he is going to do and identify what are the industries, what are the sectors he is going to invest. So once you identify such sectors or the industries, you can make a note of what are the stocks, what are the companies, listed companies in the existing listed companies in such sectors or domains, whatever you call. So have a list, then find out which are the stocks are having high momentum. So you can separate those stocks for trading, and find what are the listed stocks which are strong enough. So you can separate these strong enough stocks for investment. So you may have two kinds of things. One is trading opportunities with the existing stocks which are closely match the investment decision of the Infosys Narayanamurthy after this breakup. This breakup is going to taken in 2022 May 19 only. But before that, he might have some climate study. He might have some discussions. He might have some spell out. He might have some words during his interviews or medias, or he might have write something, right? So we have to pick up the words. We have to pick up every letter, not about every letter which is coming out of Infosys Narayanamurthy's mouth, right? So this is an opportunity. So see why I am saying this, because most of the people used to trade and invest popular stocks like Hindustan Unilever or Tata Motors, Tata Chemicals, or Apollo Hospital, or TCS, like that. So instead of going to such kind of stocks, we can closely watch. There are a lot of stocks which are not famous, but they are giving high trading opportunities and high investment opportunities. Now, apart from this, I would like to say one thing about the what are the e-commerce companies listed in India. So there are two stocks, two companies which are listed in e-commerce category. The one is the IndiaMart Intermesh. The current market price before taking this video, the price of the IndiaMart Intermesh is 7,348 rupees. Such a high price. And other one is the Info Edge India Limited. So current market price of Info Edge India Limited is also high price, which is 5,329. It means that these two companies are strong enough. Because of that only, the PE ratio of these companies are very high. So once the PE ratio is very high, the stock price is very high. Once the stock price is very high, these companies are in ultimate demand. So one can come to a conclusion that e-commerce companies will have bright future. If there is any company which is come forward for IPO, e-commerce companies come forward for IPO, apply for it. And the same way what I said, what Infosys Narayanamurthy going to do, follow him and follow his words, find the opportunity. So this is enough for this video, and I request you to subscribe the Superfans. Three kinds of Superfans: Superfans option, Superfans equity, and Superfans penny. So if you want to make great money out of small capital like 10k and around, you can subscribe to Superfans option. The working capital may be around 10k or above, slightly above. The risk factor is very minimum. The result is very high. So the past performance is given at the end of the video. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.